Good morning, students. So, in last class, we started preparation methods of phenol. So there are some more two preparation methods for the preparation of phenol. Uh, these two reactions are a specific reaction. That means they are the named reactions. That is Claisen rearrangement and Fries rearrangement. I think you are familiar with Fries rearrangement. You might have studied in a first year organic chemistry. There is just one single reaction, Fries rearrangement. So we will discuss Claisen rearrangement as well as Fries rearrangement. So first of all, Claisen rearrangement. Claisen rearrangement. So in this Claisen rearrangement, allyl phenyl ethers, okay, allyl phenyl ethers on heating. Okay, Claisen rearrangement is allyl phenyl ethers on heating gives allyl phenol. Okay, allyl phenol. That means here in this case, so allyl phenyl ether means here this benzene O CH2CH double a bond CH. This is the allyl phenyl ether. This is allyl phenyl ether. This one just heating, it rearranges to phenolic compound. Just on heating, it rearranges to phenolic compound CH2CH double a bond CH2. Okay, this is orthoallyl phenol. So here how this reaction takes place. Let us discuss the mechanism. In this reaction, for suppose here CH2 CH double bond CH2. Okay, this on heating. Just here the rearrangement of electrons. That means here movement of the electrons from one place to another place. Okay, this involves just breaking and making of the bonds. So in this case here, breaking of the pi bonds. Okay, breaking of the pi bond like this. Here oxygen has a non-bonding electrons, so non-bonding electrons transfer to this bond. Next here pi electrons transfer to this carbon, then this carbon carries a negative charge. Now pi electrons transfer to this carbon, so here negative positive bond formation, pi bond breaking, here pi bond formation, here sigma bond breaking. Okay, so this oxygen donates non-bonding electrons to this carbon. Then this one carries a positive. Now here by the breaking of this carbon oxygen bond, this oxygen gains electrons. So here as a result, double bond O, then CH2, double bond CH, and it is a CH2. Okay, new bond and a hydrogen, pi bond. Okay, so there is a hydrogen at this carbon. So bond formation between orthocarbon and this sp2 carbon, this double bonded carbon. So double bond is transferred. That means a position of the double bond is changed. Now here, this is the keto form. This is keto form. This keto form changes to. This keto form changes to enol form. That means here, by the breaking of this bond, this oxygen gains electrons and this hydrogen transferred to oxygen. Okay, then this carbon carries a positive and this carbon carries a negative, pi bond formation, and here H plus transfer to O minus, and then here CH2 CH double bond CH2. Okay, so just a very simple mechanism. Just it involves a cyclic transition state only, breaking of the bonds and making of the bonds. Okay, so in this case generally here this is the C14, that means the isotopic carbon. Okay, carbon 14 isotope. Now in this product, the C14 present on the terminal carbon. Okay, so you can see in this case it is a C14. Now it is a C14 and C14. Okay, so that is. Now here for suppose another example, OCH2 CH double bond CH2. This is the 14 and this one on heating gives a allyl phenyl. So here OH, this one forms a bond. So here CH2 CH double bond CH2. That's it. Okay. So now here if one of the ortho position is blocked, OCH2 CH double bond CH2 and this is the methyl. One of the ortho position is blocked. Next here, this allyl group is transferred to another ortho carbon. If the ortho carbon is vacant, here in this case ortho carbon is blocked by the methyl substituent. So now this allyl group is migrated to the another ortho position. So in this case here, product is OH CH3 CH2 double bond CH bond CH2. That's it. Okay. So another allylic position is going to bond form this. So now next, if two ortho positions are blocked, pi bond, here OCH2 CH double bond CH2, here CH3 and then CH. If two ortho positions are blocked, in this case, first that allylic group is transferred to one ortho position. Okay, CH3, CH2 double bond CH, double bond CH2. The pi bond. Okay. So here that ortho group is transferred to one ortho. That means that allyl group is transferred to ortho carbon. In this case, generally, by the breaking of this bond, this carbon form a bonding with this carbon. Okay. So just based on this mechanism. Now generally here there is a hydrogen, so that can be converted into enol form. That keto form converted to enol form, and this enol is nothing but phenol. So generally it is an aromatic ring, benzene. So more stable. Here this one not a benzene ring actually. Here there is it's not a aromatic in nature, so less stable. So it is readily converted to this enol form. Now in this case here, both ortho positions are blocked. Now first of all, that allyl group is migrated to the ortho position. Now in this case, there is no hydrogen for the keto enol tautomerism. Okay. Now again this is migrated to, okay, the breaking of bond like this, breaking of bond. So this group is migrated to the para position. So first migrated to the ortho position and then migrated to the para position. Pi bond. Here there is a hydrogen. Okay. Here at a para position there is a hydrogen. Now next this one CH2, CH double bond, CH2. That's it. Now here by transfer of pi electrons, this one carries a positive, and now by breaking of the CH bond, that means here this H plus is transferred to oxygen. It is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1 pi shift of H plus. That means here this H plus is transferred from this carbon to this oxygen. Okay. So here as a result, product is phenol. So CH3 and then CH3. Now this one CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. So here two times. First allyl group is migrated to the ortho position, from ortho position to para. So why this group is migrated from ortho position to para position? Because there is no proton on the ortho carbon. If there is a proton on the ortho carbon, that can be converted into benzene ring. It is a stable. But in this case, that type of chance that has no to rearranges to aromatic ring, no chance. So that's why that group again migrated to the para position. But at the para position there is a hydrogen, so that a hydrogen can be transferred to the para position, oxygen. Okay, so you'll get the enol form, stable compound. So here this group is migrated two times. Now here, for suppose if it is a C14 carbon in this case. Now this C14 carbon form a bond with benzene ring. Now again migrated. So in this case again migrated means here the C14 carbon position same, because here two times migrated. In this case generally once only migrated, so this CH214 comes to the terminal position. In this case here it is migrated two times. Now it is present in a terminal carbon. So the terminal carbon form a bond. Now again migration, so that becomes a terminal carbon. Okay, it's a point important this one. So it is a Fries rearrangement. Now generally here, in case of the Fries rearrangement, for suppose if all groups are blocked, CH2, CH double bond CH2, CH3, CH3, CH. In this case, no reaction. If all ortho and para positions are substituted by the some other groups, if then there is no rearrangement reaction. Because here there is no hydrogen at the ortho position and there is no hydrogen at the para position. Okay, this group is not migrated to the meta group, just migrated to the either ortho position or para position. Okay, just here the alkyl group is migrated by this mechanism. If one ortho position is blocked, then that allyl group is placed on the other ortho position. If two ortho positions are blocked, then allyl group is migrated to the ortho and then ortho to the para. Okay, so this is a Claisen rearrangement. Okay, Claisen rearrangement. Okay, right. Okay, next you will write the answers for this reaction CH3, CH double bond CH2 heating. Okay, next here O, CH2CH double bond CH, CH3 heating. Okay, now OCH2, CH double bond CH2, here CH3 heating. Okay, and next so based on this one we can write this one CH2 double bond CH bond O, CH2CH double bond CH2. This is allyl vinyl either on heating, write the product. Okay, so here again another reaction. This is the pi bond only, just a single pi bond. It's not a benzene ring, but this rearrangement like this Claisen rearrangement just. Okay, so this one on heating. Okay, if you can write the product for this one, you can write this one. Okay, just here allyl group, sorry, it is a vinyl group, it is also vinyl group. That's it. Okay, it is a Claisen rearrangement. So write those examples. Okay, so here one more reaction, we can complete this one. The benzene sulfonic acid heating with NaOH followed by acid workup. Okay, write the product A, and then this one treating with the NaOH or sodium hydride, and then second one CH2 double bond CH bond CH2Cl, product B. Okay, third one heating. Okay, so this reaction involves a preparation method of the phenol, acid base reaction and nucleophile substitution reaction and Claisen rearrangement. Okay, as phenol preparation, acid base reaction, the phenol has acidic hydrogen, and substitution with the allyl halide and then Claisen rearrangement. Okay, so complete these reactions. సో జనరల్ క్లాస్ లో ఇచ్చే ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చాలా తక్కువ మంది చేస్తున్నారు. కొద్దిమంది పంపిస్తున్నారు నాకు, జస్ట్ 5-6 మెంబర్స్ వాట్సాప్ పర్సనల్ పంపిస్తున్నారు, డౌట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు. Okay, so next another type of reaction for the preparation of the phenol, that is Fries rearrangement. Fries rearrangement. Okay, the Fries rearrangement. In this case, Fries rearrangement. Phenyl esters on treating with anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, phenyl esters in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3 rearrange S2 ortho or para acetyl phenols. Okay, acetyl means here that contains a COCH3 group. So phenyl ester means, so generally RC double bond OR is a ester. Okay, RCOR is the ester. Now here phenyl ester means this alkyl group must be phenyl. So this phenyl ester can be converted to ortho para acetyl phenols. Okay, so let us discuss with one example. 5 bond OC double bond O CH3. Okay, so this compound can be written like this also. CH3C double bond O and this one phenyl benzene ring. That means here this compound can be named as phenyl acetate or phenyl ethanoate. Okay, 1 2 carbons are ethanoate and this is the phenyl group. So phenyl ethanoate. This phenyl ethanoate on treating with anhydrous AlCl3 rearranges to OH C double bond O CH3. Okay, OH C double bond O CH3 either ortho or para. That means OH and C double bond O CH3. Okay, this is the orthoacetyl phenol. This one is the orthoacetyl phenol. This is the para-acetyl phenol. COCH3 group is the acetyl group. So that's it. Now here, how this reaction takes place? Let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. So now here, this one C double bond O CH. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. So here, that AlCl3 aluminum has a vacant orbital. So bond formation. That means here pi bond. Here O AlCl3, this one carries a negative charge and this one carries a positive charge. C double bond O CH. Now from this one, breaking of this bond, by the breaking of this bond, we will get the pi bond here O AlCl3 minus. Okay, this positive charged oxygen gains electrons, so that becomes a neutral. Now here this carbon carries a positive charge. This carbon carries a positive charge. This is nothing but now electrophile, that is acting as a electrophile. Now here this electrophile attacks to ortho position or para position. Okay, in this case here, this oxygen has non-bonding electrons. By donating non-bonding electrons, that is acting as a ortho para directing group. Okay, that is an electron donating group. So all electron donating groups are the ortho para directing groups. Okay, so then incoming electrophile attacks at the ortho and para position. Okay, this is a electrophile. The electrophile is formed from the reacting group. Okay, so now here this one attacks on the either ortho position or para position. Either ortho position or para position. Negative charge. Okay. Pi bond, C double bond O, CH3. Here a hydrogen. Then this carbon carries a positive charge. Okay. Now in this case, okay. Now in this case, this one forming pi bond. So double bond O, AlCl3 minus pi bond, HCl3 double bond O, CH. Next here, breaking of CH bond, the oxygen gains electrons, and here, oh sorry, this one carries a positive charge. Okay, so here leaving of the AlCl3 minus AlCl3, double bond O, H, C double bond O, CH3 pi bond. Now it is converted to enol form CH3. Okay, so in this case here, this oxygen form a pi bond. So that becomes a, that needs a, your oxygen carries a positive charge. So here this positive charge oxygen gains electrons. Okay, that means by the breaking of this bond, AlCl3 leaving, okay, we will get the keto form. This keto form converted to eno form. That means your proton is transferred from this carbon to this oxygen. Okay, so that is a rearrangement reaction. So in this fashion, that alkophile attacks at the ortho position and similarly at the para position. Okay, this alkophile attacks at the ortho position or para position. Okay, so generally here, which product is a major product? Which product is a major product? Now here, AlCl3. That means here low temperature. First, suppose 60 degrees centigrade. Okay, okay, below 60 degrees centigrade. Here in this case, para is the major product. OH, C double bond O, CS. Para is the major product. Because of the steric factor. Because of the steric factor, ortho is the, sorry, para is the major product. Now, AlCl3 at more than 100 degrees centigrade. More than 100 degrees centigrade. OHC double bond O, CS. Ortho is the major product. Para is the major product. Okay, it is a temperature dependent, kinetically and thermodynamically favorable products. Okay, it is a thermodynamically favorable products and it is a kinetically favorable product. Okay, at low temperature para, at high temperature ortho. Okay, so that is the Fries rearrangement. So just very simple this group is COCH group is bonding with either ortho position or para position. Okay, so write this one. Okay, so for suppose here, see this one, OC double bond O, here ethyl group, AlCl3, ethyl group. Then products are OHC double bond O, ET. Just this group is bonding at the ortho position or para position. Very simple. Writing the product is simple. Your mechanism is not necessary. Okay, para product. So this is the ethyl group. This is the major generally. At room temperature, para is the major product. Okay, because the steric factor. There is a repulsion between this OH group and COET group. For suppose C double bond O. So this one O C double bond O. This is again benzene ring. This is the phenyl benzoate. This is phenyl benzoate. This one in Fries rearrangement. Anhydrous AlCl. The CO phenyl group placed at the ortho position or para position. C double bond O. This one plus para. Okay. So next, write the products for these reactions. C double bond O, CH3. Here ortho is blocked. Then that goes to para. Now here OC double bond O, CH3. Then CH3, para is blocked. Then COCH3 alcohol placed on the ortho position, either ortho position. Okay, this one AlCl3 here. Next, for suppose OC double bond O, CH3 at NO2, AlCl3 anhydrous. Okay, write the NO2 is the electron withdrawing group that deactivate the benzene ring. That deactivate the benzene ring. OC double bond O CH3. Okay, AlCl3 anhydrous. Okay, next another example. Here AlCl3. Okay, so there are very interesting examples. So generally మీరు నాకు వాట్సాప్ పంపించండి మీరు ట్రై చేసి ఫస్ట్ యూ ట్రై దీస్ రియాక్షన్స్ అండ్ దెన్ సెండ్ టు మీ ఇఫ్ యూ మేక్ ఎనీ మిస్టేక్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద క్లియర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఓకే సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ there is some concept in this reaction also there is some concept this reaction also is some concept and this reaction also some concept okay that's it so that is about the Fries rearrangement okay right okay so next one more point OCO CH3 okay now it is a ethyl okay that is ethyl OC double bond O CH3 CH okay this one AlCl3 anhydrous okay mixture of two compounds okay mixture of two compounds and next OCH2 CH double bond CH2 okay in this case para methyl parabushon methyl OCH2 CH double bond CH2 and this one for suppose here I am writing CH2 here I am writing CH3 and this one ethyl okay on heating. This is the Claisen rearrangement. This is the Claisen rearrangement. This is the Fries rearrangement. So here in this case I am giving one point very important point in Claisen rearrangement no cross products crossover products no crossover products formed but in Fries rearrangement okay in Fries rearrangement very important point crossover products are formed okay in Fries rearrangement crossover products are formed ఇక్కడ crossover products అంటే ఏంటంటే జనరల్ గా in Fries rearrangement COCH3 is the alcohol okay COCH3 is the alcohol this is the ethyl COCH3 is alkophile. Now here, this is not an intramolecular reaction mechanism. It is not an intramolecular reaction. Okay. So here, the leaving of the COCH3 alkophile. COCH3 alkophile form అవుతుంది. Next, C double bond ethyl alkophile form అవుతుంది. Okay. So generally here in this case that COCH3 pot is completely deported. Okay. Complete గా బయటికి వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్గా. ఓకే. సో అది బయటికి ఫామ్ అయిన తర్వాత సో దట్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ దిస్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ attacks at ortho position or para position on this ring or ortho position and para position. ఓకేనా అంటే కంప్లీట్గా డిపార్ట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఏ రింగ్ అయినా అటాక్ చేయాలి. అలాగే ఈ COET ఉంది కదా ఈ గ్రూప్ నుంచి వచ్చిన ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ అటాక్స్ at the ortho position and para position. Attacks at this ortho position and para position. సో టోటల్గా ఎన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి. ఓకే. సో టోటల్గా 8 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే 8 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. సో రైట్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్స్ యాక్చువల్. ఓకేనా అంటే ఈ COCH3 ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ కంప్లీట్ గా బయట లీవ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో దీన్ని అటాక్ చేయొచ్చు దీన్ని అటాక్ చేయొచ్చు ఈ గ్రూప్ ని అటాక్ చేయొచ్చు ఈ బెంజన్ రింగ్ ని అటాక్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఆర్థో పొజిషన్ కానీ పారా పొజిషన్. ఓకేనా ఎక్కడైనా అటాక్ చేయొచ్చు. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నా ఈ కేసులో Claisen rearrangement is completely intramolecular reaction. Okay, this is the intermolecular rearrangement. Inter ante it's not an intermolecular. Intermolecular means here that part is completely deported, so that can be takes place between two different reactants. Intermolecular rearrangement. Okay, Fries rearrangement is intramolecular rearrangement. That means here within the molecule mother. This reaction takes place within the molecule. Claisen rearrangement takes place within the molecule. And it is completely break out. Okay, and ఈ పార్ట్ అలైల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా అలైల్ గ్రూప్ కంప్లీట్ గా బయటికి రాదు. సో జస్ట్ ఏమైతుంది మనకి ఇలా ఈ బాండ్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది ఈ బాండ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అంతే. అంటే సైమల్టేనియస్లీ జరుగుతుంది. బ్రేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది బాండ్స్ మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది బాండ్స్ సైమల్టేనియస్లీ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్. సో ఈ గ్రూప్ ఏమవుతుంది ఇదే బెంజిన్ అటాక్ చేస్తుంది అండ్ దెన్ దిస్ గ్రూప్ అటాక్స్ ఆన్ ది ఓన్లీ దిస్ బెంజిన్ టైప్. ఓకే జస్ట్ 2 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే సో జస్ట్ 2 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే వెరీ సింపుల్. ఇది కంప్లీట్ గా బయటికి రాదు ఈ గ్రూప్ కంప్లీట్ గా బయటికి రాదు. సో కంప్లీట్ గా బయటికి రాదు కాబట్టి జస్ట్ ఇలా అటాక్ చేస్తుంది బాండ్ బ్రేకింగ్ అండ్ బాండ్ మేకింగ్ దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే ఇయర్ బాండ్ బ్రేకింగ్ అండ్ బాండ్ మేకింగ్ సైమల్టేనియస్ జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ గ్రూప్ వెళ్ళి ఈ బెంజిన్ రింగ్ అటాక్ చేయడం ఈ గ్రూప్ ఈ బెంజిన్ రింగ్ అటాక్ చేయడం జరగదు. బట్ ఇన్ Fries rearrangement COCH3 is completely deported from the substrate and COET completely deported from the substrate. Now that electrophile either attacks ortho position para position of this ring or ortho position para position of another ring. Okay, now COET could same. Okay, that's it. Important. The advanced key could important point. No crossover products. అలాగే నేను మళ్ళీ అక్కడ ఇదే క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ మనకి పినకోల్ ఏమని చెప్పాలి యాక్చువల్. ఓకే నాకు చెప్పలేదు. ఇన్ పినకోల్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ ఇన్ పినకోలోన్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆల్సో నో క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. ఓకే అంటే పినకోలోన్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ లో కూడా అక్కడ ఏమైతే మీరు గుర్తుందేమో మరి మీకు alkyl group is migrated from one carbon to other carbon. So in that case also that alkyl group is migrated internally. That means within the molecule that alkyl group is migrated. That means here that by the breaking of the bond that alkyl group is migrating slowly and forming bond with adjacent carbon. Okay, that is the pinacol rearrangement. That in pinacol rearrangement also no crossover products. That means it is a completely intramolecular rearrangement. Within the molecule reaction takes place. Fries rearrangement not within the molecule. Okay, and Claisen rearrangement within the molecule just only. That's okay. Right. Okay, those are the preparation methods of the phenol. Now chemical properties of the phenol. Chemical properties of phenol. Chemical properties of the phenol. So here in this case, first one, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. So generally here, phenol, OH is electron donating group. OH is electron donating group. In phenol, OH is electron donating group. So by donating, that activate the which positions? Ortho and para positions. Okay, ortho and para positions. They are the resonating structures of the phenol. So how many resonating structures for the phenol? 5 resonating structures. Negative. Next here OH plus, sorry, 5 1 5 1. So totally 5 resonating structures for the phenol. Now in this resonating structures, this ortho carbon has a negative charge, this para carbon has a negative charge. This ortho carbon has a negative charge. That means here that the ortho carbon, para carbon have more electron density, so that incoming alkophile attacks at the ortho and para position. And this OH is also strong donating group. So it is a highly reactive in aromatic alkoxyl substitution reactions. Okay. So first suppose your first one, halogenation. Okay, halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction. Okay, phenol is activating the benzene ring. So increase the electron density at ortho position and para positions. So incoming alkophile attacks at the para and ortho positions. So first halogenation. This phenol and treating with Br2, H2, bromine and H2. Okay, bromine and H2. In this case, what is the electrophile? Br plus is the electrophile. Br plus is the electrophile. OH, Br and Br, and this is a Br. Okay, so in this case here, 246 trinitro phenol, 246 trinitro phenol. Okay, so generally it is a white PPT. Okay, it's a white PPT. So why here tribromination takes place? Because here OH is a highly activating group, and now here water is a polar solvent. So due to polar solvent, the reactivity of the bromine increased. That means here hydrogen O, partial negative here, partial positive. That means here partial negative here, partial positive. Okay. So Br minus part. Actually Br2 molecule is a non-polar, but in the presence of the polar solvent, that get polarized. That means here by approaching this water molecule, that means positive charge or hydrogen, then this bromine carries a negative charge. So then this bromine carries a positive charge. That means here this Br2 molecule is polarized in the presence of water molecule. Then here Br plus electrophile readily formed, so that attacks at the ortho and the para position. And then in water, so generally in water, it can be ionized to O minus and H plus. There is a slight ionization because this hydrogen is the acidic hydrogen. So generally O minus is a very strong donating group than the OH. Okay, na? So generally plus M effect. Plus M effect. OH less than O minus. O minus means here negatively charged oxygen that has a more electron density. It has a strong tendency to donate electrons into the benzene ring. So this benzene ring is a highly reactive towards alcohol substitution reaction than the benzene. then the benzene in phenol. Okay, so O minus phenoxide in form అవుతుంది. So highly reactive, so electrophilic substitution reaction చాలా fast గా జరిగే chances ఉంటాయి. అందుకే tribromination జరుగుతుంది. Okay, important point. Now here this is a 2011 mains question. 2011 or 12 mains question. This one treating with KBrO3 in the presence of acid medium. Product is tribromophenol. Because here BrO3 minus and H plus, that gives Br2 plus H2. 3 moles of Br2. Okay, here 5, 6. Okay. So by the combination of these compounds, we'll get the bromine water, Br2H2. Then here bromination, tribromination takes place. Very, very important reaction this one. Tribromination takes place. Now here, for the monobromination, we have to take the carbon disulfide or CCl4 solvent. It is a non-polar solvent. This is non-polar solvent. In non-polar solvents, this type of polarization is not possible, and this type of ionization is not possible. So here the monobromination takes place. Monobromination, orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Which is the major product? Generally para is the major product. Okay, parabromophenol. Parabromophenol. Okay, it's a very, very important. Okay, so generally here another reaction examples. If one ortho position is blocked by treating with bromine and water, so remaining two, one ortho position and para position. Okay, one ortho position and para position, because one ortho position is blocked. Now OH, if para is blocked, the two ortho positions substitution takes place. So OH, Br, CH. Okay. Now here OH at meta position, bromine water. Okay, bromine water. So what is the product in that reaction? Okay, what is the product in that reaction? If meta position is there, generally here CH3 is also activating, OH activating and CH3 activating. It is more reactive. It is also more reactive. It is also more reactive. OH, CH3 both are activating those. Okay, that's it. So generally here with the H2O or with acetic acid also tribromination takes place. Okay, important this one, because acetic acid also polar solvent. Acetic acid also polar solvent. OH, Br. Okay, tribromination, because in the presence of polar solvent, here electrophile readily formed. That non-polar molecule get polarized. Okay, so because of the polarization, reactivity increases, so they readily attacks on the benzene ring. Okay, either acetic acid also. Okay, in this case carbon disulfide, CCl4, non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent, Br2 non-polar, and this phenol is not ionized like this phenoxide, because phenoxide here O minus is a highly activating than the OH. This phenoxide is a more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction than the phenol. Okay, that's it.